wait to see Isaac standing at the end of the aisle today at the ceremony. He's going to become my forever and always. I love the things about Isaac, just parts of his wit, his sense of humour, his funniness and his attractiveness. I love his soul. He's so generous and caring and thoughtful. He would give you the shirt off his back if he needed. He always makes me feel so grounded, like I'm always at home wherever we may be, protected and safe. He's definitely my one.
Becky, you've turned my life into one big adventure. Every moment with you is magic. You've been amazing to fit into my crazy family, bringing your own kind of chaos, the good kind, of course, and your love. Family means the world to me, and you are the centre of it all. I promise to always make you laugh and to love you more than words can say. What I like the best about Becky is her attractive eyes. They're absolutely stunning. Her personality is absolutely amazing. She's very supportive. When I'm with Becky, she makes me feel happy, and then she also mainly makes me relaxed and calm.
Through it all, you've been my rock, my best friend, and my partner in every adventure. Today, as I stand before you, I worry not that our love won't endure, but I worry that it's because if we live to be 100 and I get 74 years with you, how am I meant to fit all my love for you in just 74 years? And that is why I know that there will be something after this. Wherever that will be, we will find each other there.
They'll say that you know it when you know that it's right. With each step you're taking, we're getting closer to the rest of our lives. Just look at me, I'll look at you. Forget the world now, it's just us two. If this is a dream, then don't wake me up from this beautiful, wonderful thing they call love. If this is a dream, then don't wake me up from this beautiful, wonderful thing they call love.
And there's one thing in this world that I'm sure of. You are my home and my heart. Today, I promise to stand by your side through whatever challenges life may bring, and I vow to love you unconditionally, to support you in your dreams, and with you, I know that no matter what obstacles we may face, we will overcome them together. Hand in hand, heart to heart, forever and always.